Hey babe, can you look at this?
Yeah, sure, what is it?
She's so pretty. Don't you think she's pretty?
Babe, I think you're pretty.
It's okay if you think she's pretty. I won't be angry.
Babe, I don't think she's pretty. Okay, I don't.
Okay.
Babe, where are you going?
Look at her! I know you think she's pretty. Everyone thinks she's pretty. Are you blind?
No, I'm not blind. I just don't think that she's pretty.
Say it.
Say what?
Say that she's pretty.
Babe, I don't think she's pretty.
If you lie to me one more time, magbe-beast mode ako.
No, babe. No, don't do that. Don't go beast mode.
Do you think she's pretty?
Okay, yeah. Okay, sure. Yes, she is kind of pretty.
I knew it! You love her!
What? I don't even know her.
You wish you never married me! Niloloko mo lang ako! Siya pala ang gusto mo!
Babe, calm down. You are taking this way too seriously.
Am I? So now I'm the kontrabida sa teleserye nyo!
Just stop, please. It's nothing. It's literally nothing.
Are you having an affair?
What? No!
I knew it! You're sleeping with her!
Babe, she's a celebrity. I've never even met her.
Oh yeah, she's so famous. And I'm just a mukhang bruha!
Okay, babe, seriously, stop it. You're overreacting. No. Wait, no, I'm sorry. You're right, yes, you're not overreacting.
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Phil Talk is awesome.
Sign up to Phil Talk today.